Hi, Dave Likes here. I'm zooming this 24 to 105 zoom lens, and as you can see, the flash also zooms. You can see the numbers changing as I do that. Okay, I'm setting a manual 24mm on the zoom for the flash and take the shot, and you can see the spread of light. And now I'm going to zoom all the way up to 200mm, and you'll see the spread of light gets smaller. Okay, as I take the shot. And see, it's a much smaller spread of light. The function of this zooming effect allows me to zoom further out, but at the expense of a narrower beam of light. By zooming the flash head, it can reach further than normal had it not used this feature. You can use manual flash zoom to create a vignette effect on your background. That's it in this lesson. Talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.